Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how to screen mirroring on VIZIO Smart TV step by step. I will cover different method for Android, iPhone and Windows devices, so you can choose the one that works best for you. First method is screen mirror Android phone to VIZIO TV. Turn on your VIZIO Smart TV. Make sure your TV and Android phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your phone, open settings, choose connected device and cast. Or smart view, screencast or wireless display name varies by the phone. Select your VIZIO TV from the list. Accept the connection request on the TV if prompted. Your phone screen should now appear on your VIZIO TV. Common Android options: Samsung phone smart view, Google Pixel cast, OnePlus or Xiaomi cast or wireless display. Second method, mirror iPhone or iPad to VIZIO TV. Connect your iPhone or iPad and VIZIO TV to the same Wi-Fi network. Press the V button or home button on the VIZIO remote. Open extras Apple AirPlay, menu names by vary. Turn AirPlay on your iPhone. Open Control Center. Tap a screen mirroring. Select your VIZIO TV. Enter the AirPlay code shown on your TV. Your iPhone screen will now display on the TV. Third method is cast using Chromecast. For apps that supporting casting, first step is connect your phone to the TV to the same Wi-Fi. Open YouTube, Netflix or other supported app. Tap the cast icon. Select your VIZIO TV. The video will start playing on your TV. Fourth method is screen mirroring Windows laptop to VIZIO TV. Connect your laptop and VIZIO TV to the same Wi-Fi. Press Windows key plus K. Select your VIZIO TV. Allow the connections on your TV. If screen mirroring is not working, try these fixes. Restart your VIZIO TV and phone. Check that both devices use the same Wi-Fi network. Update your TV firmware. Press V button or home system and check for updates. Disable VPN on your phone. Move devices closer to the Wi-Fi router.